it is Megan Elizabeth, and I just wanted to jump on and do a live. Like I've said, I've been using Norwex, wow, for, my kids are being really loud in the other room, so I apologize for that. We are in the middle of the school day, and I actually haven't even done my hair and makeup yet, like, whoa. But anyway, my kids are in the other room making a lot of noise, so don't mind them. But I wanted to do a quick little Facebook Live for you all. Like I said, I've been using Norwex for more than the last 8 years. I don't even think this color is available anymore. I've had it for so long. I have like, I want to say 5 or 6 of these still in my home. This is the EnviroCloth that we talk so much about, really being the foundation of getting yourself started with Norwex. So while Tracy is our expert, I did want to do a little home demo for you. She gave me a couple samples of the new colors, because actually my window cloth is pink. I don't even think they have the pink one anymore. It's now purple, and here's the graphite. So these are like samples of them. So I'm just going to show you these for color's sake, but they're the exact same thing as what I've been using in full size for years. So I have my mirror here, and I'm just going to, this is butter. I'm going to scrape some butter on there. And actually I'm going to do more over here. Oh, I forgot to grab the paper towels. Hey, Ben, will you give me a paper towel?
Who?
Ben.
Yeah.
2 paper towels and yeah, that's good. Whatever. We're gonna do a little thing. Can you see both of those? Yeah, you can see that. These 2 things of butter smears. Okay, so we have our butter smears. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of lipstick smearage. My paper towels too, so you can see the difference. I hope I don't regret this. And then this is liquid eyeshadow, or cream eyeshadow. So we'll do a little eyeshadow smearage, because these are all the things that, maybe not necessarily the lipstick or the eyeshadow, but things that, especially on my upstairs mirror, ends up all the time. So great hair. I didn't come prepared for this. I was going to show you, if I tried to just wipe this off with basic paper towel and water. Can you give me some water? I know, silly me. So paper towel and water on the one side. What? And actually, I'll do the side that there's less. There's less over here than there is over here. So we're just going to, oh yeah, really, you know, we can sort of clean it up. It really just kind of streaks and smears around. Can you see that? Can you see how this streaks and smears in that mess? Yeah. Okay. Let's do a little bit of water on it with a paper towel. I'll get a different paper towel. Do a little bit of water to clean it up the rest of the way. Can we even get it? Well, it's a little better. But you know, you add hairspray onto that and all the other things, and you have some nice smears. Okay, let's see what the difference is when we use Norwex. All right, so I'm going to first take the EnviroCloth and clean up the mess and capture and trap all the goop. So this is butter, this is lipstick, and remember I have more on this side than I did on the other side. Butter, lipstick, eyeshadow, and we are trapping it all into the microfiber. We are removing, we're not just killing germs and bacteria, we're removing, wiping away. So yeah, a little bit of streakage there. Not too bad. Can you see that? It's not too bad compared to, can you see that? Right side, left side? Not too bad. But then we take the magic of the window cloth, and let's compare the 2 sides now. We're gonna take this away. Ooh, there's more stuff on here that actually got revealed as I use that cloth. All right, can you see right side, left side now? Wait, I'm showing it the wrong way. This is the side not cleaned with Norwex. Can you see that? Side cleaned with Norwex. I feel like the mirror, like it's hard to show, see? Side not cleaned with Norwex, side cleaned with Norwex. It's noticeably different, like crazy different. And I'm just going to take this now over this other side and get what was left behind from the paper towels. I didn't use any chemicals. It completely got all the way down to give me the full shine and the full reflection of my mirror completely back. Actually, you can see there's still some gunk up there. that I didn't wipe away. Whoa, we better not do that with one hand. Let's not knock over my mirror today. 2020 was bad luck enough. We don't need 2021 and 2022 to get any worse. So we'll not knock a mirror down and break it today. How about that? But we can just clean it up with our window cloth. They're so easy to use, so simple. You're not using chemicals. You're actually trapping and removing germs and bacteria. This rinses out nice and clean. It has the antibac in it, so it's going to basically self-sanitize, but you still do wash them. And Tracy will get into that a little bit more. So thanks so much for joining our party. I hope you support Tracy in her new journey. And if you have any questions, definitely let Tracy know. She'll be happy to help you. And if you have anything for me, if you want to ask me, I'm just a user. I'm not an expert by any stretch of the imagination, but I mean, it's alarming the amount of chemicals that we use in our homes. And I made the steps to start reducing them years ago, and we continue to little by little. My next step is to start reducing the paper towel usage. So even though we've reduced chemicals, I want to start reducing more and more waste in our home. So that's my new kick. Anyway, guys, have a great day. Enjoy the moments. I'll see you again soon at bymeganelizabeth.com. Sorry, that's work, Megan. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.